Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to change Android button to swipe. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. So firstly, open your settings app on your Android device. Once here, go ahead and scroll down to find the display section. Once here, go ahead and scroll down again to find the navigation bar. Tap on it. Then, what we need to do here is just choose the swipe gestures. Now, our buttons has changed to swipe gestures. And that's how to change Android button to swipe. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.